Today we'll be talking about two tests, the 1 mile jogging test and the 1 mile Rockport walking test. For both tests, you're going to need a 400-meter track, a heart rate monitor, or a way to assess your heart rate, which is another way and will be explained in a bit. First is the 1 mile jogging test. This test is primarily addressed to the population of men or women at the age of 18 to 29 years of age, and only requires a moderate steady state exertion. For this test, we're going to go ahead and select a comfortable jogging pace and measure our post-exercise heart rate immediately following the test. For the 1 mile jog, it should be at least 8 minutes for males and at least 9 minutes for females. Your post-exercise heart rate should not exceed 180 beats per minute. Before our 1 mile jog, it is always important to keep in mind to apply some type of dynamic stretching warm-up to prevent any injuries and warm up your muscles in order to be ready for the jog. After our jog, we want to record our time in minutes, and then we can proceed on taking our post-exercise heart rate. Remember that this is a sub-maximal test and not a maximal test. In order to calculate your post-exercise heart rate, take your index and middle finger and place it on your wrist on the radial site as shown previously. Listen for 15 seconds and then multiply that number you get by 4. You can also use another method by placing the same fingers on your neck on the carotid site and do the same method as the radial site. Next is the Rockport walking test. Again, you can do and apply some static stretching before in order to prevent injury and also warm up the muscles before beginning your walk. In the Rockport walking test, you want to walk as fast as possible 1 mile around the track, which is also equal to 4 laps. The target population for this test is 20 to 69 years of age. Same as the 1 mile jogging test, we'll also take our post-exercise heart rate after, and remember this is also a sub-maximal test. Now we can calculate all of our data and plug it into our VO2 max formulas. The top formula displayed is the 1 mile jog test, and the formula at the very bottom of the chart will be the Rockport walking test. I'm going to explain the 1 mile jog test with my results. It reads VO2 max equals 100.5 minus 0.1636 times body weight in kilograms, which mine is 67 kilograms, which would be minus 1.438 times our time, which was mine was 12 minutes flat. If you set it in seconds, don't forget to convert into decimals. Then you subtract 0.1928 times our heart rate, which mine was 160 beats per minute, and then add 8.344 times our gender squared. For gender, keep in mind that for males it is 1 and for females it is 0.